playlist. Call it Esther's Island. It was very nice there. Oh, I have to show you these birds. So I'm going to have to pull over and make a video with the other camera. See that nest out there? It's an osprey nest, I believe. Now I have to find a good spot to view it from which to view it. You don't see them in there right now. There's 2 or 3 of these. Okay, so I'll get out my other camera, my zoomy camera. Guess I'll turn off my car too. Okay, so let's see what we can see on there. Does not appear that anybody's home on this video, in this nest. Okay, well, I'm gonna go give them some goodbye.